In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can install the LimaCharlie agent and get endpoint coverage with several hundred curated Sigma rules. Let's get started. So the first thing we need to do is to create an organization. We choose a data center and give our organization a name. The name has to be globally unique, which will be confirmed by the screen check mark. Then you can click create. It takes a minute for the resources to be provisioned. We'll see our organization in this list. Once the status icon turns green, we're ready to go. There we go. So the first thing we'll need to do is to download a sensor. I'm on a Windows 64-bit machine, so that's the one I will select. And now I'm going to need an installation key. So I'll go over to the installation key tab, click this plus icon, give the installation key a name and optional tag. Hit create. I now have my installation key. I will copy it to my clipboard. Then I want to pop over to a terminal, open it as administrator. Then I'm going to need to CD into my downloads folder. Whoop, wrong one. There we go. Then I want to run the sensor with the -I flag followed by the installation key. But the agent is now installed on the endpoint and telemetry is streaming back to LimaCharlie. We can confirm this by going to the Sensors tab, and we will see the workstation I just added showing as online, and that's it. So to get coverage from several hundred curated Sigma rules, we will just go down to the add-ons section. This is a LimaCharlie marketplace. I won't go into the details of all the other options that are available in this video, and I will scroll to Sigma and I will click on. Confirm that that's what I want, and we now have endpoint coverage for several hundred rules. You can go see them on our GitHub. Yeah, so if there's detections made, they will show up on the detections tab. Obviously we just installed it, so nobody's tried to infiltrate my computer yet. So yeah, your endpoint now has a strong basic coverage, and depending on how the organization you're protecting operates, you may see some false positives. If you do, we have a mechanism for handling that. If you go over to the DNR rules tab and look in the right hand column, you'll see false positive rules. To add one, click the plus button, give it a name, evil, and then enter the rule. And don't worry if you don't understand what I'm typing. Everything is documented very clearly at doc.limacharlie.io, and we're always here to help if you get stuck. Okay, and I'm just doing a simple rule here that says ignore anything that comes from the executable not evil.exe. So now we have a rule, we hit create, and if that executable triggers any of the Sigma rules that we enabled, it will get ignored and not sent to detections because we've whitelisted it. And I think that wraps up this video, so thanks for sitting through it. If you have any questions, reach out to us, and happy hunting.